Xiaomi's Mi Mix 4 packs an under-screen camera inside of a ceramic body.
So I couldn't find any. There was a launch event today, just a couple hours ago.
This is the type of breaking news you're talking about?
Yes, one of them.
Breaking news with Willie Doo. Yes.
So I couldn't find any videos except for one, this unboxing by 5M Gadget.
Let's go. Oh, and there's a lot of shaking there. Go back. Don't get carried away. Don't miss the chemo. Watch this.
There you go.
Trying to get it out of there, but he did. And the Mix it's a premium brand for Xiaomi. So look at this.
It's got some killer specs.
Yeah, look at this experience right here. The black box with the gold font, the huge camera unit, the huge bulging camera unit.
So I wanted to look at the under display camera. This person shows it a little bit. You don't see it. It's actually quite impressive, at least in this video.
Yeah, but they're not really trying to show it.
It's hard to see because...
Yeah, look what he's doing. Look at this. Look at this cropping right here.
But
okay,
you do
here we go. Yeah, I see it. But no, I hear you though.
It's not as offensive.
Hey man,
as some other ones.
I hear you.
Yeah, it's hard to see, but go check out the video and see for yourself. It's pretty good.
Pretty good. Yes, it is the future. I don't know how long it's going to take to be perfect, but when you see a display and it doesn't have to have a giant hole punch staring back at you, you say to yourself, "Oh, this is kind of like what happened with the notches," and you just imagine that. Okay, like maybe right now there's some minor drawback, which is the tiny amount of visibility that's there, but certainly as these things improve, you just imagine it being a superior thing if it can be invisible underneath there. And then the implications there. If all of a sudden you have cameras under screens and they work really well, there's some implications there.
Yeah.
Anyway, what else does it have? It has the slimmest ceramic unibody smartphone ever, 6.67 inch, 2400 by 1080 screen that stealthily hides a 20 megapixel selfie camera underneath a near indistinguishable patch of pixels. It's the same 400 ppi pixel density. Wow, that's really weird up close. Look at it.
Yeah.
Looks so futuristic up close. I love it. That could be a piece of art right there. You could hang that on the wall right there. You blow that right up.
Yeah.
You put that in your living room, Will. Guy like you.
I would stare at it all day.
Guy like you. The screen itself is otherwise very much the same. Yeah, it's got a lot of 10-bit HDR10 plus 120 hertz. 480 hertz touch sampling. Gamers.
The charging is pretty intense too.
What I got?
Charges in 15 minutes apparently.
What they got? Is it 50 watt? Boost mode.
21.
50 watt wireless and 120 wired on a 4500 milliamp hour battery, 108 megapixel main camera. I'm getting all carried away over here.
This is a very nice phone. I want this. Can I have one?
Yeah, you can go for it, man.
Yeah,
you can.
I just gotta go to China to get it.
No, they'll send you one.
Oh, okay.
I mean, you're Willie Doo after all. Guy like you, remember? You're putting the artwork on the wall. I think the least they can do is send you a phone.
Yeah, come on, John.
Scroll up. Let me just get the rest of the specs. I saw some. There you go. Okay, 888 plus Snapdragon, obviously. LPDDR5 RAM from 8 gigs to 12, and up to 512 gigs of storage. 5G is in there. It's got to be in there. All right. I mean, yeah. What's not to like? And the promise of this all-screen thing is finally happening. Because I remember goofing with the stuff when it was just concept phone.
Yeah.
Oh, you want me to say the price? Starting at $970? Oh, starting at $770.
It's not bad.
You're buying one.
Yeah. Less than $1,000 for the 12 gigabyte.
They made this for you. Remember that guy's YouTube channel? He used to say that. I made this for you. Oh.
He's yelling at you?
Wow, Mo's really involved today. He's yelling again, and he said Julian Smith, and he's correct.
Julian Smith.
That you weren't part of that YouTube era? That's old YouTube, man.
No, I think I passed it.
That's 300 years ago.
Unfortunately.
Yeah. But that guy made some, he put some stuff out. I'll tell you that much. Be cool to see what he's up to these days. Anyway.
Yeah.